Chapter Lesson 14. This is another prepositional pronoun. You've been waiting for another prepositional pronoun. You had ag, agam, and so forth. This is A-R, the preposition, combined with the pronouns me, you, him, her, and so forth. So, ordum, on me, ort, on you, on him, erhe, on her, ording, on us, oriv, on y'all, orha, on them. So, if you're wearing something, it's on you. So, tahata he's got a hat on him. The emotions are on you. Ta ahisorum, I'm happy, there's gladness on me. Ta bronorum, there's sorrow on me. Ta anaorum, I am surprised. Ta aglaorum, I am afraid. Ta fatigorum, I am angry. Ta noiraorum, I'm ashamed. Ta imniorum, I'm worried. Ta akrasorum, I'm hungry. That's a feeling too. Ta tartorum, I'm thirsty. Ta kalaorum, I'm sleepy. Ta slide-on-orum, well, illnesses can be on you too. So I have a cold. Ta tinnis king-orum, I have a headache, a sickness of the head. Ta tinnis fiekla-orum, a sickness of the tooth. Kur ort dachota. This is combining things from previous chapters. The imperative kur ort, put on you, that's from this chapter. Dachota, your coat, that's from a previous chapter, the possessive pronoun. Kur ort dachwid edi. When you say your clothing, edach is a garment. Dachwid edi is your portion of garments. Sometimes you do things with a collective word, your portion of all that's in the world. And clothing, you do that. A couple of other things, you'll get more of that eventually. So dachwid edi. Kershe achwid edi he put his clothing on him. You look on somebody or something. Vishe efechent orum, he was looking at me, or on me in Irish. Vi farig munchor, the teacher had anger on him. The teacher was angry. Okay? And then we get those possessive pronouns. The possessive pronoun for singular things, me, my, his, her, and so forth, most of them cause lenition. Machota, dachota, your coat. Achota, his coat. But a kota, no lenition, is her coat. Still the same And now all of the plural ones cause an eclipsis. Right? They don't give you those here, but they will. And can be their coat, also a gota. Our gota, our coat. Ver gota, yours coat. But they don't give you those here. That's just a preview. Don't know why they don't give you all of them. And then they give you a whole bunch of practice sentences. Kneel being the opposite of ta. You have past and present tense. All the past, present, and future of ta being used with these sentences with feelings or sicknesses on you. So practice, 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 and memorize that pattern for the prepositional pronoun. Yeah, you should memorize each one, and if you don't have the chart of all of them up somewhere in your house, where you're going to see it all the time, you should do that because you're going to want to study them and use them a lot.